This is the MESO Customs Ultimate Dome Light for the 2022 and up Toyota Tundra. There's 4 clips holding it in. All you need is a panel popper. We're gonna start with the back 2, followed by the front 2, and it'll pop out. These are the retention clips. Now unplug the factory connector. Now we have the dome light removed. We're gonna take it over to the bench and do the swap. Now that the factory dome light's removed, we need to remove the black housing so we can reuse the metal clips and transfer them onto the new MESO dome. Taking a flathead, just pry up on all the corners. It'll come off, followed by the factory light. Taking your flathead, pressing it underneath the metal clip, and you can wiggle them out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now that we have the factory clips, we're going to open up the new dome light. Flipping it over to the back, just reinstall them. Snap into place. Now this is all prepped and ready to go. We'll reinstall it back in the vehicle. Now we have the new dome light with the clips transferred over. We're going to reinstall it, taking the factory connector, plugging it in, tucking it up, make sure all the clips line up, and then just press. You'll hear it lock into place. Test power on, off. This will be exactly like the factory, has an on and off button, and then color changing on the other one.